another day above 100K. Things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin. I came across a pretty interesting interview with John D. Agostino, which is the head of strategy for Coinbase Institutional. And he talks about the inflows for Bitcoin ETFs and how they have surpassed gold. Definitely take a look at this. Let me know your thoughts.
Bitcoin holding above the $100,000 level, passing through 105,000 level briefly this morning, up 70% in the last year. Joining us right now is Josh D'Agostino. He's the head of strategy at Coinbase Institutional. And we've been talking about the movement in Bitcoin, which has been pretty volatile. We were down in what was the low of 74, 73?
Maybe even a little lower, yeah.
Maybe even a lower than that.
Yeah.
We've come back. Are we supposed to think about it as gold? Or are we supposed to think about it as the NASDAQ? I mean, I think this is the fundamental question.
So last time I was on, which the timing was very fortuitous, I was on April 23rd, and I talked about how through April 22nd, despite lower ETF inflows than gold, Bitcoin had outperformed since the announcement of the tariffs. Well, literally the moment I walked off set,
right.
Bitcoin ETF flows exploded. So first of all, congratulations on having a very powerful platform. 5.5 billion roughly and counting since then, dwarfing gold. And we talked about the three reasons why: no longer trading as a tech bundle, in the tech bundle, inflation hedge, and this sort of catch up to gold type trade. Now with this sort of onslaught of ETF flows, we have a fourth characteristic, which is just scarcity. Bitcoin miners cannot produce Bitcoin as fast as this overwhelming demand. So I don't think it's appropriate to view it as a tech stock in the tech bundle. Whether you view it as a commodity like gold is somewhat subjective. I like to look at it that way. Some others don't. But I think it's a good framework to think about, specifically relative to the gold trade.
And one